Creative.
Dynamic.
Quirky.
Collaborative.
Transport Advisory is the advisory and management consultancy business which is part of the SNC-Lavalin group of companies. We work in the rail and transit sector primarily, and we aim to solve the transport sector's most challenging problems worldwide.
So I've spent 20 years in my career at London Underground and then as part of the wider TfL as a whole. 5 of those years was as Head of Transport Planning. Just before that I was the Olympic programme sponsor, so I was accountable for all the preparations for London Underground services through the 2012 Games. And my last couple of years at TfL was spent as Head of the Night Tube programme, so I was responsible for all of the change programmes, both behavioural and infrastructure, for delivering overnight services on Friday and Saturday nights on 5 different lines. After 20 years in one organisation, there comes a moment where you think, what am I going to do next? Particularly given some of the roles I'd had, some of the delivery, fantastic time, but it was time to do something different. And the obvious answer was to take all that client-side experience and come to the other side and start offering some of that experience back to other clients from a consultancy angle. Transport Advisory is quite different to any of the other organisations I looked at and spoke to. A bit smaller, more fleet of foot, and more adaptable and flexible to client needs. Lots of colleagues that I'd worked with before had really good experience with the organisation. I knew a couple of people who'd worked here before as well who spoke very well about the organisation. I then also spent time chatting to people who were currently working here, and the messages were all really, really positive. I like the fact that the team is highly charged, motivated, and really able to deliver what clients need, not just what they necessarily ask for. I think one of the things I can offer clients that might be different to sort of lifelong consultants, I guess, is empathy, ability to see things from their side. I've spent 20 years delivering projects in a highly political, financially constrained environment, so I can bring that experience to bear when working with clients to help them push through some of the challenges that they face as well. Collaborative. So one of the things I love is the fact that we've all got very different backgrounds. We come from industry, consultancy, lots of different experience, and it all comes together in a big melting pot of ideas and thoughts. We're not just small cogs in a big machine. We're all contributing quite significantly to the sort of client needs.